What's going on, family? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do a little quick DIY. I am replacing the battery on the C5 Z06, and if you guys look at these terminals, they are done for. They're terrible, atrocious. So when I bought the vehicle, they were already stripped, and of course, just like, you know, out of taking the battery out, putting it in the winter times, I always disconnect them, or working on the car, you know, they get disconnected, and they've just gotten worse and worse and worse. So we have some terminal posts that are from AutoZone. It's just a quick $5 fix. I would hope no one is paying for something like this to switch out those terminals, but if so, don't do it. Just go ahead and get a screwdriver, and then we're just gonna pop it off and then pop them back on, okay? So we're gonna do a quick DIY. All right, so from what I understand, I haven't done it before, but we're just going to move this rubber piece here, if you don't stab your hand. Boom. All right, and I hope you guys seen that, and there it is. So you just pop it out. So now we're just going to put the new one in. All right, family, so we're going to just go ahead and put the new one in, and probably we can just press this one in. Alrighty. All right, family, so I just pretty much just pressed that in, and it went right in. So we'll go ahead and test it and make sure it's okay. So now we're just going to do the negative real quick. Okay, pop that out and pop that in. So again, I just pressed it in. It seems like it's a little looser, but we're going to go ahead and try it and see what happens. All right, family, so let's see, make sure everything's good. Seems like it screws up okay to me. Alrighty, so now we're just gonna tighten these up. Alright. All right, family, so as you guys can see, that's all it takes to change out those terminal posts. Before I looked it up, I didn't realize how easy it was. For some reason, I just haven't done one before. Nothing wrong with that, but it's extremely easy, so please don't spend the money to do anything like that. $5 at AutoZone or wherever you may get them, it doesn't matter. Side terminal posts, and that way you can just do a quick DIY and make sure that you have some grip and traction on your side posts, okay? Appreciate you guys watching the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and I will talk to you guys next time. Take it easy.